Now I will tell you about the uses of central forces. Now in the previous video I have told you about the central forces and what are their properties. So these central forces are widely used in understanding the motion of the object. So the central forces play a crucial role in understanding the motions of objects in universe. We know that in our universe there are a number of objects like the planets, satellites, stars. There are so many galaxies, so many asteroids are there. So all this, the motion of these celestial bodies is studied with the help of central forces. So number one, motion of planets around the sun. So we know that there are so many planets in our solar system. There are the 8 planets which move around the sun, and there are the satellites which are moving around the planets. So the study, the motion of all these objects is studied with the help of the central force. So central force is the gravitational force. Motion of satellites. Around the planets. The satellites are, whether this is the artificial satellite or the natural satellite, then all these are studied with the help of the central force. So that central force here, this is also the gravitational force. Around the nucleus. We know that every atom has the electron, and these electrons move in the circular orbit around the nucleus. So the force acting between them is the electrostatic force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus. So this force provides the essential centripetal force to move them in the circular orbit of different radius. So this electrostatic force of attraction is the central force which helps to understand the motion of the electron in the atom. we know that the simple harmonic motion, and in this motion the particle moves around the mean position. So this is a to and fro motion or back and forth motion. So when this motion is executed, then the restoring force acts on the object. Because of that, it executes the simple harmonic motion. So this is what that these forces are useful to understand the motion of the object. And this is clear that these forces cannot be used to convert the mechanical energy into other forms of kinetic energy. And also we have the Kepler's laws of planetary motion, which are under the gravitational force of the sun. And in the universe there are number of bodies are moving, so they all follow the gravitational force. So this is about the uses of central forces.